Hey kids. Yeah, that's right. Chad, let's pick speech up. Tired of this. It's too gorgeous. We're going for a drive. We got a couple things to do. And we're gonna start this turd. We're gonna take a couple laps. First drive of the year. We're going to be nice and easy, like Tina Turner. Now I know you guys have all said, well, Clyde's fantastic. He shouldn't eat anything. Well, that's probably not accurate, and you know it. What I'm doing is I'm just making sure I'm torquing down, or at least giving the old lug nuts a little bit of a tighten up here. Now, are they torqued? Sure. Why not? They can be torqued. Look, this is America. You can be anything you want. And if the lug nuts want to be torqued, well, they can be torqued. Right? Okay. So I don't want to hear it. Oh yeah, see? They're torqued. They're getting torqued right now. Remember how I found extra lug nuts? Yeah, well, yeah, that's... Watch it. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's right. These are a little bit different. I gotta get the same size lug nuts for Clyde all the way around because it's just kind of a pain in the butt. Oh, that one wasn't tight either. I guess I was rolling with 2 or 3. So we're gonna get this done and then we're gonna start this pig. All right. They're torqued. Now make sure you check fluids. Make sure you check your fluids, which I did a while ago. Sure, they're fine. Make sure you turn your battery on. Make sure you take things off of the top of the car. Like that. And what's left? Start it. Thank you, Jeremy. Now you might ask yourself, hey Chad, did you clean that junk out of the front of Clyde? No, I didn't. But let's do this anyway. Providing the battery's still good. Huh? Runs great. Purrs like a kitten. Yeah. Runs great. Told you it runs great. No, it's being a dirt. Smells like potato. Right, let's do it. We're in it. Yeah! I don't know. What a booty turd. I don't know. I'm gonna hit the shop truck. definitely potato, potato. I parked it because oh my little coats are shot. It's 80 degrees today. We're gonna put it in neutral. We'll let it run just a little bit. Stay the same. Okay. Here's what happened. Now let's take this potato for a drive. Not happy. Something squeaking out there. I don't. Do you care? I don't care. Nice and easy. All right, kids. First drive on the road of 2026. Nice and easy. That's loud. And it's Clyde. We got 80 pounds of oil pressure, 14 volts. Something squeaking on that. I'm definitely not happy. What I expected. We're just going around the loop, make the neighbors mad, whatever, you know. Can you hear me? Maybe we'll shift it to drive at some point. There. 3.5 days later. Gotta get it warmed up. Aha! I knew it. Take it easy now. Johnny Laws in the neighborhood. This would be a perfect time to just start playing Breaking the Law by Judas Priest, you know? Something's squeaking out there. I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna look or pretend to care. That's better, huh? Man, there's a steak in here. Rah! All right, yes. I know this. We're only going down. We're only doing a couple miles because let's face it, this is not. It's not ready. I gotta get some more fuel in it. I gotta check the plugs. I gotta clean the carburetor. You know, there's stuff to do. You can change fuel filters, but I wanted to get this out. It's 80 degrees. You know. And it's noisy as shit, I'm telling you. Why wouldn't you want it? It's loud. I got my hearing aids in too, so it's louder than it should be. Maybe I should pay attention to the road. Want to know something? You see that Camaro right there? Yeah, that blow my doors right off. Oh yeah, this thing stinks real bad today. Hear that big stumble? Yeah, we got something. That's fine, right? Oh, did you guys check the air pressure on the tires? No? It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Not really sure what that noise is. You gotta be nice. Johnny Law's right there. Alright, we're just gonna bring her home, put a couple miles on it, first drive of the year. I like it. I think it's the door squeaking. I don't know. I don't really care. Clyde, for crying out loud. Okay. Woo, stinky. Potato, potato, potato. Oh yeah, there you go. We're gonna make it. We made it, sort of, kinda. That's good as Clyde gets, I guess, right? Yeah, start it off. He did stuff, maybe some things. I don't know what's going on up there. Well, let's try it. Okay, well, at least we know the timing is correct-ish. Yeah, he sounds good. Anybody else think he wasn't going to start when he was doing all that crap earlier? I don't. I didn't think he was going to. See, that was a success. So, hope you enjoyed this little ride along with the turd. Oh, and get yourself one of these t-shirts right here. Because we all know Clyde's junk. Come on. Help support the channel. We got stuff to build. What? Yeah, I know. I should build it. But here's the problem. I don't have one. Actually, I do kind of want Pete and Jake's frame to get here. Should be here hopefully soon. I got to call Jason and talk to him. And then we are going to get back on that. Actually, we could do something with that. You know what? We're going to stop. Clyde did something. And solid C- as usual. Hope you enjoyed the Clyde ride along. Keep on wrenching.